Hi, this is Billy Zell with ApprovedByBill.com and Nova Home Loans. It'll be an honor to help you out. I'm trying to give you a video to give you some good hints. And first of all, do not piecemeal my team. So I've probably done an initial application, or one of my team members has done an initial application with you. And at this point, you need to send in that complete list of items. I would try to do it in one shot, because if you send in trailing items, it might not signal us to re-pull the file and take a look at it. I'm going to start with assets. So on your bank statements and stuff, unless you're a conventional loan, I'm going to have to explain every deposit. Conventional loans, we have some flexibility, but so any deposit that goes in there is non-payroll. I'm going to have to explain. If it's cash, I can't use it. So if you get paid cash because somebody owed you money going forward, I would either put it in your gas tank or use it to buy groceries. I would not deposit it. Also, too, don't be moving cash around between your accounts. It's very difficult when we have multiple accounts just to trace the normal deposits. If you guys start transferring stuff, it makes it a nightmare. So keep it still. And then after we have cleared you to close, then you move your assets around and get the funds together for closing. Number two is, if on assets, if you're going to use a gift, please make sure and let me know before you move the gift into your account, because there's certain documentation we're going to need. On credit, very important that you do not open up new credit. So if we see inquiries, we're going to ask. If there's new credit, we're going to have to verify it, put it in the debt ratio. Your existing credit, you also have to be careful, because we're going to pull what they call a small mini report right before closing. If the credit has gone up drastically, I may have to add new debts. It could cause you a problem with qualifying. Also under credit, I'm going to say liabilities. I need to know about child support, any tax payments, anything that doesn't report on credit, you need to let me know. I've had some instances where we find out about a tax lien because we get the title work, find out there was a payment plan we never knew about. So very important that you do that. On your income, make sure we've got correct stop and start dates, type of job dates. I've got to verify the most recent 2 years very accurately. And if we have gaps in there, we need to explain it and make sure we're showing those gaps, because if I don't know that you were out of employment for 7 months and the application shows 3, 7's a big difference in underwriting versus 3. So it's very important that you do that. Also, too, on your employment, it's very important we get 30 days of pay stubs, because that gives us a good chance to look with any variations that the underwriter may see within your pay stub. So I'd rather catch it now than later. And we're also going to pull a verification of employment in a lot of cases. And if your tips, commissioned, piecework, any of that kind of stuff, I'm going to have to average that type of income over a couple of years. Self-employed, generally you have to have your business for 2 years. I have one exception where I can do 1 year of business returns, and that's on a Freddie Mac loan. But any questions, let us know. We'd be more than happy to clarify. Also, too, if you have a divorce, we're going to ask for the initial separation agreement, the decree, any child supporting documentation. So just be ready to dig that all out again. Any questions, just give me a call here at the office, 720-279-5936. Look forward to working with you and getting into your new house, or in some cases, refinancing you a much lower payment. Have a great day.